Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to save your templates so you can keep reusing them and not actually have to search for them. So, initially, let's go to More Templates on the home screen. And let's say, for example, I want an invoice template. So, I type an invoice and we use the simple invoice template right here. Now that we're on here, now let's say that you've added all of your information to this template and you've made your edits on it and you want to keep reusing the same format. So you're going to want to go to File, Save. We're going to give it a name, Copy 3. And then we can choose exactly where we want to store it, but we actually want to store it on the OneDrive, which is this one right here, or you can actually save it to the recents. I'll show you why in a second. So we want the file format to be Excel Workbook, IXISX, save. Now, when you go back to Excel and you create a new template, or you go back to create a new project, you can go to Home and there will be your save template. All you have to do to completely save it and take it out of recents, you just want to hit the pin button right here, and now you have saved it to your pin templates. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.